In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a Typeform, guiding you through a complete step-by-step process for 2025. To get started, let's begin by logging into your Typeform account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the form or quiz you want to publish. If you haven't yet prepared your form, make sure you have all your content ready. This forms the foundation for everything we'll be doing next. Before you publish, it's crucial to finalize your form. Start by reviewing all your questions carefully. Pay attention to any logic jumps, which are crucial for guiding respondents through the form based on their previous answers. If you're working on a quiz, ensure the scoring is set up accurately to reflect the intended outcomes. Next, check your design elements. This includes fonts, colors, spacing, and images. You want your form to be visually appealing and consistent with your branding. Afterward, test your form using the preview mode. This is your chance to make sure everything works perfectly, so take the time to click through and troubleshoot any issues you encounter. Once your form is finalized, it's time to access the publish options. Head over to the Typeform Designer and look for the Share button in the top right corner. Clicking this will reveal several options for publishing your form. Let's talk about these options. You can choose to simply copy a direct link to share wherever you like, or if you prefer, generate embed code to seamlessly integrate the form into your website. Alternatively, you can opt for email or social sharing to reach your audience directly through these platforms. Now let's move on to actually publishing your Typeform. If you'd like to share with just a link, click copy link. This direct URL can be distributed anywhere, email, social media, you name it. For those looking to integrate their form into a website, choose the embed code option. Customize the settings to fit your website's look and feel, then paste the code into your web page source where you'd like the form to appear. Additionally, keep in mind the option to schedule the form to go live automatically at a specific time. This can be useful for timed events or launches. After publishing, it's important to conduct a final test. Open the link or embedded form and submit a test entry. This will enable you to check that the form functions correctly, that scoring is captured if it's a quiz, and that any notification systems you have in place work as anticipated. Taking the time for this step ensures a smooth experience for your respondents and validates all the effort you put into creating the form. By following these steps, your Typeform is now live and ready for responses.